The covenant had been broken. The stone tablets lay shattered. Israel had failed. Yet the story did not end there. The Lord called Moses back up the mountain.
At that time, the Lord said to me, "Cut out for yourself 2 tablets of stone, like the first 2.
And come up to me on the mountain. And make an ark of wood. Elunaitua. For yourself.
Then I will write on the tablets the words that were on the first tablets, which you smashed.
And you shall put them in the ark. So I made an ark of acacia wood, and cut out 2 tablets of stone, like the first 2. And he wrote on the tablets, like the first writing, the 10 commandments, which the Lord had spoken to you from the midst of the fire.
Then I turned and came down from the mountain, and I put the tablets in the ark which I had made. And they are there, just as the Lord commanded me.
Now the sons of Israel set out from Beeroth-bene-jaakan to Mosera. There Aaron died, and there he was buried. And his son Eleazar served as priest in his place. From there they set out to Gudgodah, and from Gudgodah to Jotbatha, a land of streams of water. At that time the Lord singled out the tribe of Levi to carry the ark of the covenant of the Lord, to stand before the Lord, to serve him, and to bless in his name until this day. Therefore, Levi does not have a portion or inheritance with his brothers. The Lord is his inheritance, just as the Lord your God spoke to him.
I, moreover, stayed on the mountain 40 days and 40 nights, like the first time.
And the Lord listened to me that time also. The Lord was not willing to destroy you.
Then the Lord said to me, "Arise, proceed on your journey ahead of the people, so that they may go and take possession of the land which I swore to their fathers to give them." And now, Israel, what does the Lord your require of you? But to fear the Lord your God, to walk in all his ways, and love him and serve the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul. For the Lord your God is the God of gods and the Lord of lords, the great, the mighty, and the awesome God, who does not show partiality, than eye of the flawless, nor take a bribe.
He executes justice for the orphan and the widow, and shows his love for the stranger by giving him food and clothing. So, show your love for the stranger, for you were strangers in the land of Egypt. You shall fear the Lord your God. You shall serve him and cling to him, and you shall swear your glory, and he is your God. Your fathers went down to Egypt, 70 persons in all, and now the Lord your God has made you as numerous as the stars of heaven.
The words had been spoken. The covenant had been renewed. Only one river remained between Israel and God's promise. "40 years of wandering had prepared them for this moment. The God who led them through the wilderness would never leave them. And before them, a new chapter was about to begin.